Okay, here's your typical microwave. It will not cook, and it's a GE monogram. And so, if you're working on these yourself, you have to be very careful. There's a capacitor in here. This capacitor right there that could kick you with a deadly shock. And so you definitely want to unplug the unit. First thing I did was check the fuse. So I checked the fuse with a meter, and I always isolate the fuse. I take it out of the circuit to make sure. And all the connections seem to look good. And the next thing I checked was the magnetron thermostat right here, and it was good. And when I took off the cover, I noticed in the inside it had a lot of kind of debris and splattered stuff in there. So next thing I did was check this thermostat right here. And so I always like to isolate the thermostats just to make sure. I set the meter on ohms and check the continuity. So basically this one here burned out. So theoretically all I have to do is replace this and we'll be good. So we just check the continuity there, and we see no reaction on the meter. So I'm hoping that will be good. And incidentally, microwaves notoriously have the security Torx on them, and you can buy a security Torx set at most hardware stores. So that's your microwave tip for today. Thanks for watching. Rate, comment, and subscribe.